Mollis test. It is used for the detection of all types of carbohydrate, that is monosaccharide, disaccharides and polysaccharides. Mollis reagent. Mollis reagent is 1% alcoholic solution of alpha naphthol. So Mollis reagent is added to the aqueous solution of carbohydrate followed by addition of conc H2SO4 along the sides of the test tube. A violet ring is formed at the junction of the two layers, which confirms the presence of carbohydrates. So polysaccharides, oligosaccharides and monosaccharides, when treated with H2SO4, it forms furfural or 5-hydroxymethyl furfural. These furfural or 5-hydroxymethyl furfural react with alpha naphthol to give violet colored product, confirming the presence of carbohydrate. If a monosaccharide contains an aldehyde group, it is called aldose. Glucose is a aldose. Glucose is an aldose. Its name is aldohexose. Aldo means aldehyde group, CHO, hex means 6, O's means sugar. It is a 6 carbon sugar with an aldehyde group. If it contain a keto group, if a monosaccharide contain a keto group, then it is called ketose. Fructose is a ketohexose. That means it is a 6 carbon compound, 6 carbon sugar with a ketonic group. Number of carbon atom is 3, then it is called triose. If it is 4, then tetrose. If it is 5, pentose. If it is 6, hexose. If it is 7, heptose. If it is an aldehyde, it is called aldotriose. If it is a ketone, it is called ketotriose. A tetrose with an aldehyde group is called aldotetrose. A tetrose with a ketonic group is called ketotetrose. Similarly, a pentose with an aldehyde group is called aldopentose. A pentose with a ketonic group is called ketopentose. An aldose with a hexose with an aldehyde group is called aldohexose. Ketose with a 6 carbon, that is called ketohexose. A heftose with an aldehyde group is called aldoheptose, and with a ketonic group is called ketoheptose. Fructose. The formula of fructose is C6H12O6. It is the sweetest naturally occurring sugar. It is also called fruit sugar. It is a ketohexose. It is a reducing sugar. Presence of ketonic functional group at carbon number 2. It belongs to D series. It is levorotatory compound. That means it rotates the plane polarized lights towards left, and that's why it is also called levulose. It is written as D minus fructose. Number of chiral carbon present in fructose is 3. So total stereoisomer is 2 to the power 3, that is 8. The cyclic structure of fructose has been derived from, or we can say it's analogous to a 5-membered cyclic compound with 1 oxygen and 4 carbon atom. It is called furan. So the 2-hour structure of fructose is alpha D minus fructofuranose and beta D minus fructofuranose. The most common types of disaccharides are sucrose, maltose and lactose. So disaccharides are the most common types of oligosaccharide. They give 2 sugar units on hydrolysis. Sucrose gives glucose and fructose. Maltose gives 2 molecules of glucose. Lactose gives glucose and galactose. The bond between 2 monosaccharide is called glycosidic bond. It is formed by the elimination of 1 water molecule. In sucrose, the glycosidic bond is formed between carbon 1 and carbon 2. Sucrose is formed by the combination of alpha D glucose and beta D fructose. The glycosidic linkage is between C1 C2. Sucrose is a non-reducing sugar because the free aldehyde group is absent here. Sucrose is also called the common table sugar. Sucrose is called common table sugar. Its formula is C12H22O11. It is a non-reducing sugar. The glycosidic linkage is formed at C1C2, or we can say C1C2 glycosidic linkage is present. On hydrolysis, it gives glucose and fructose. Sucrose is dextrorotatory. That means it rotates the plane polarized light towards right direction. The hydrolysis of sucrose brings about the change in the rotation. Sucrose is dextrorotatory, whereas glucose is dextrorotatory, but fructose is more levorotatory. So this product obtained after the hydrolysis of sucrose is called invert sugar. Maltose. It is composed of two alpha-D glucose units. It has C1C4 glycosidic linkage. It is also called malt sugar. It is also a reducing sugar and reduces tolerance reagent and filling solution. Lactose. Lactose is called milk sugar because it is present in milk. Mother milks have maximum lactose content. It has C1C4 glycosidic linkage. It is also a reducing sugar and it is composed of beta-D glucose and beta-D galactose. Polysaccharides contain a large number of monosaccharide units joined together by glycosidic linkages. They are the most commonly encountered carbohydrate in nature. They mainly act as food storage or structural material. Like starch act as a food storage in plants, whereas glycogen act as a food storage in animals. That's why glycogen is also called animal starch. Whereas cellulose is the structural material. The cell wall of plants is made up of cellulose. Starch is a branched polymer of alpha-D glucose, whereas cellulose is a linear polymer of beta-D glucose. Glycogen is also branched. Starch is the main storage polysaccharide of plants. It is an important dietary source for humans. Cereals, roots, tubers and some vegetables contain starch. It is a polymer of alpha-D glucose. It is a branched polymer and consists of two components. One is called amylose and another is called amylopectin. Amylose constitute 15 to 20% of starch, whereas amylopectin constitute 80 to 85%. Amylose is a water-soluble fraction, whereas amylopectin is water-insoluble. Amylose is unbranched chain, whereas amylopectin is branched chain. Amylose is formed by C1C4 glycosidic linkage, whereas amylopectin is formed by C1C6 glycosidic linkage. Green plants have chlorophyll, green pigments chlorophyll, which is responsible for photosynthesis. During photosynthesis, green plants manufacture glucose, C6H12O6, which is a monosaccharide. But glucose has high osmotic pressure, so in plants, glucose is converted into starch and stored as it is. So, plants convert radiant energy into chemical energy by the process called photosynthesis. Starch has a formula of C6H10O5-HOLAN. It is a storage polysaccharide and it has less osmotic pressure. When plants or organism requires glucose, starch is hydrolyzed to release n number of glucose molecules. Cellulose. Cellulose occurs exclusively in plants. It is the most abundant organic substance in plant kingdom. It is predominant constituent of the cell walls of plant. Straight chain polysaccharide composed of beta-D glucose. So it is a linear polymer of beta-D glucose. It has C1C4 glycosidic linkage. And iodine has no action on cellulose, but starch react with iodine to give blue-violet color. Humans cannot digest cellulose because the enzyme responsible for digesting cellulose, that is cellulase, is absent in humans. Glycogen, it is the stored carbohydrate in animals. It is also called animal starch as the structure is similar to amylopectin, rather more heavily branched than amylopectin. It is present in liver, muscles and brain. So when body needs glucose, glycogen is broken down to give a large number of molecules of glucose in presence of enzymes. It is also found in yeast and fungi. Importance of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates act as biofuels. They provide energy to living organisms. They act as reserve food materials like starch in plants and glycogen in humans. They are the constituent of biomolecules. DNA contains deoxyribose sugar, which is a pentose sugar. RNA contains ribose sugar. Structural material. Cellulose is a structural material. Industrial material. Textiles, paper, breweries, lacewares. Cotton. Cotton contains 90 to 95% cellulose, whereas wood contains 45 to 50% cellulose. Honey acts as a source of energy. It contains glucose, fructose, etc. Wood, which contains 45 to 50% cellulose, is used to prepare furniture. Glucose in a mild alkaline medium show reversible isomerization to form enediol mannose fructose. So fructose, despite having no aldehyde group, reduces tolerance reagent and failing solution because in a mild alkaline medium it undergoes enolization to form glucose, mannose, etc. This reaction is called Lowry-de Bruyn-Van Ekenstein rearrangement. And that's why fructose reduces tolerance reagent and failing solution, and it is a reducing sugar. It is regarded as a reducing sugar. So D plus glucose, so 1,2 enolization to form enediol, which converts into D plus mannose and D minus fructose. So this is the reason why fructose reduces tolerance reagent and failing solution. Let's see few questions. Question number 14.1 in text NCERT. Glucose or sucrose are soluble in water, but cyclohexane or benzene are insoluble in water. Explain. As we know, glucose and sucrose they have the hydroxyl group, so they form hydrogen bonding and therefore they are soluble in water. Whereas cyclohexane and benzene being non-polar, there is no possibility of hydrogen bond, therefore they are insoluble in water. How do you explain the absence of aldehyde group in the pentaacetate of D-glucose? The pentaacetate of D-glucose does not react with hydroxylamines, suggesting the absence of aldehydic group. Reaction of reducing sugar with phenylhydrazine. Formation of osazones. All monosaccharides and disaccharide except sucrose react with phenylhydrazine in excess to form osazones. So, first molecule of phenylhydrazine reacts to form phenylhydrazone. Next molecule react to convert the 2-degree alcohol to ketone. Third molecule react to form the osazone. During osazone formation, only carbon 1 and carbon 2 are involved. Therefore, all monosaccharides which differ in configuration at carbon 1 and carbon 2 give the same osazone. For example, glucose, mannose and fructose all give the same osazone. Epimers, carbohydrate which differ in configuration at a carbon other than the anomeric carbon are called epimers. The anomeric carbon is carbon number 1. So epimers are carbohydrate which differ in configuration around a carbon other than anomeric carbons. Glucose and mannose are C2 epimers. That means glucose and mannose differ around carbon 2. Glucose and galactose are C4 epimers. The letter D in D-glucose signifies configuration at the penultimate chiral carbon. So D and L configuration is based on the compound glyceraldehyde. Polymer stored in the liver of animals is glycogen. Glycogen is a polysaccharide. It is a branched polymer of glucose. It is also called animal starch. Sugars are detected by Mollis test. Sucrose is a disaccharide and it is a non-reducing sugar. Inulin is the polymer of fructose. The linkage between two monosaccharides is called glycosidic linkage. The spontaneous change of a specific rotation of an optically active substance with time is called mutarotation. So column 1, column 2, this is a question. A glucose, B sucrose, C lactose, D starch, P is osazone, Q is disaccharide, R is reducing, S is non-reducing. So this is a homework for all the student. You have to try this. Assertion is fructose reduces Fehling solution and Tollens reagent. Reason is fructose does not contain any aldehyde group. So you have to tell whether fructose reduces Fehling solution and Tollens reagent or not, and whether fructose have any aldehyde group or does not have. So this is homework for my student. I hope they will do this. Thank you, students.